We have privacy gate and fence all the way around the property. And you've seen them in the videos before, 2 German Shepherds. I like having my property fenced off. When we first moved here about 6 years ago, we did all the infrastructure on this property. And we put the gate up and the automatic gate opener with the clickers. They make a bracket that you can purchase that fits over the tube steel that holds everything in position and kind of helps it not flex. 40 bucks. Thought it was kind of expensive for 2 pieces of plate steel and some U-clamps, but save money. So I drilled through the pipe. This is hollow tube steel, not very strong, not very structural anyway for the purpose of a gate. Hence the bracket to support it. Wow, I didn't need that. Well, it turns out I did. Over time, gate opening and closing, this pipe here crushed. Just wouldn't work anymore. I cut this out with saw and then replaced it with oak dowel. This is 5 inches, 18 inches long. Well, live and learn. Did not quite do the job because I had drilled the holes and it wasn't quite catching. So it messed up again. Called me do it twice daring, I guess, because I had to do it twice to figure out what I was doing wrong. But have this thing sleeved, put the beware of dogs sign on the front, and we are back off to the races. Sometimes you have to do it twice. It would have been better had I sat down and thought everything out. More to come. So, there you have it, guys. I should have spent $45 and bought those bracket plates. Then I wouldn't have had to do this. Just something. Sometimes you do things and it just don't turn out right. And you should have done it the other way. Keep learning, keep testing, and keep trying to live a more self-reliant life. Take care of you people.